Forewarning, they do melt quick, they're in fat. Hello Squaddies, welcome back to a brand new episode of Lean Living. Just like it says on the shirt, we are making life extra lean. Before I get started though, I have a lean announcement. I'm so excited, this is like a dream come true actually. LEANSQUAD has partnered up with Apple Music to be one of 5 Canadians to make a summer playlist. How cool is that? Now, if you haven't already done so, please download the music. It is incredible. It will help you work out, give you those summery vibes all summer long. I'm gonna update it as we go along, but right now, it is definitely a playlist you need on your phone and in your workouts. So let me know how you like that. We are cooking cookies and lean fat bombs. Like cookies and cream, just cookies and lean, and that is because they are filled with healthy fats that won't spike the insulin, will keep us satiated, will keep us energized, and still taste amazing. So, here we go. This is a super easy recipe. All you gotta do is follow along, buckle up, and get ready to get lean. First step, almond flour pan. We're gonna toast it up. 2/3 cup. Again, linking all the ingredients in the Amazon shop. If you haven't already been there, it's in the links below. Low to medium heat, 2 to 4 minutes, okay? So you wanna watch it. There's no oil, nothing on the pan, just a dry pan. There you go, so you can see now it's turning toasty brown. Now, there's the almond flour in the bowl. Grab some cacao powder, 1.5 tablespoons in the bowl. Yes, in there, and a half, 1.5. The next secret ingredient, very important, swerve. Depending on the sweet level you like, 2 to 3 tablespoons. That's 1. Then you're gonna add some salt, just a pinch of salt. Ooh. And then you're gonna get some coconut oil, 2 tablespoons, melt it in the microwave, add it to this bowl. Just mix this up. So I've mixed that up. Now, silicone muffin tins. Just like this, rubbery. You're gonna take some of the mix, we're gonna press it in. So we're taking about 1/3 of the mix. That's the base layer of our fat bomb. I used about 1/3 of the lean mix in the muffins, okay? So I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I saved the other bits because that's gonna be our cookies and lean crumbs on top of these. So now we put both in the freezer, both the mix and the muffin tins, or muffin silicone cups. In the freezer, we're gonna let them chill out, no pun intended, and then we're gonna make the rest of these fat bombs. All right, we're heading back to the saucepan while the cookies and lean crumbs and base are chilling. We're gonna add 1 can, this is about 160 mils of full fat coconut milk to the saucepan. No oil added again. Medium-ish heat. And our next secret ingredient is the natural, I don't know how to say it, sweetener, okay? We're gonna add 2 to 4 tablespoons of this and stir until it's dissolved in. So that's 1, 2, there we go, 3, and 3. So you're gonna mix it up. Once it's all dissolved, we're gonna put it in a big mixing bowl. And we're gonna let that chill. Next step, this is key. I had a bowl in the fridge that's chilled, so I just literally put a bowl in the fridge, and then I also have some coconut cream that's been chilling in the fridge, cooling in the fridge, just been put in the fridge. So I'm gonna grab those. Magical. just appeared. There's my chilled bowl. There is my cool coconut cream. All right, so we're gonna pour about 160 mils of this into the bowl. The magic happens, we're gonna whip. Whip, 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 whip. I don't know if I can show you, but we're whipping. Whip that cream. We're gonna add a couple teaspoons of vanilla extract. Right there, that's it. Vanilla extract. There we go. Mix it up. Next up, mix the bowls. Got our big bowl mixed. Now you take this, your cookie crumble, out of the freezer. You're gonna dig deep and get that crumble in your bowl. Look at that. How good is this gonna be? Now we mix the mix. Mix the mix. That's leanified, fully mixed. Crumble is ready to rock and roll. Muffin tins, or silicone, whatever we're calling them, out of the freezer, hardened. You can feel the base hardened. That's perfect, exactly what we want. We're gonna pour the rest of our mix to fill these muffin tins. Wow. We're gonna put them in the freezer until frozen, and then we're gonna take them out, let them thaw for about 15 minutes, and we're gonna see how good these fat bombs, cookies and lean fat bombs, really are. It's that time that you've been waiting for. It's gonna be amazing. Sorry guys, I had to serenade you there. I get a little excited when the leanness is coming out. I will be right back in 2 seconds. Just try and fill a little less than I did, but I mean, I'm going for big, chunky cookies and lean bites right here. Going to take some crumbs that I left in the fridge, and then I just kind of smush it up. This is some of the mix I had left over, and these are gonna be my crumbs on top. There we have it, squaddies. These are the cookies and lean. Look at them. How good do those look? This is actually low in sugar, which is perfect for a summery snack. Now, I'll give you my initial lean review. Obviously you can see the base there. That's supposed to be the cookies. This is supposed to be the cream lean bit. Cold. They're pretty good. I mean, this is the first time I made them. But obviously got a bit of that coconut taste. And then you get down to the chocolatey bit. It's like a chocolatey coffee mix. I love coffee, so that's a bonus. And this will definitely cool you down when you're burning in the summer. So overall, yeah, B&B puff, that's pretty good. That was the cookies and lean fat bomb, squaddies. Let me know what you think. Low in sugar, full of fats, and the good news about fats is when you have them as a snack or in a meal, instead of the highs and lows of carbohydrates and sugars that you experience, healthy fats just keep you going, keep you energized, feeling great the whole day without the crash. So that's a huge bonus to the cookies and lean, perfect summer snack. Again, give me your rating below. Kind of like the lean review here. Enjoyed that. Lastly, if you are looking for a custom workout and meal plan tailored to you, then please reach out to me, DM me at LEANSQUAD on Instagram, or you can just go to www.lean-squad.com, check out the website, let me know if you have any questions, but the whole idea behind the 90-day lean plan is to create the best plan for you. Other than that, squaddies, I will see you back here next episode for another amazing recipe.